Hi guys, it's Rosanna from All Gifts Matter, and I'm here just to share a quick tip, which is not really a tip, to be fair. It's probably more of a find, but anyway, I thought I'd share it with you anyway. So, banding wheel. How to keep your banding wheel clean. Okay, a lot of you probably put like little towels over the top or whatever, but I mean, I use my banding wheel for everything, building, glazing, you name it, I use it. So it was awful every time, like I had to clean and it goes into the cracks. It takes ages every time. So I found something really useful, which is in a shop, in a physical shop with Poundland. It came in a set. So Poundland is in the UK. The American equivalent would probably be a Dollar Tree or something like that. But anyway, basically, these are silicone containers lids. Okay, so they come in all different sizes. In a set you get all sort of different sizes, and these actually really saved my life because if you don't have the right size, you can just cut it to size, you put it on, it's non-slip because it's silicone. You can pull your pieces on top of it and you can easily work on your pieces, right? But a lot of it actually fit. So for example, there's this size that fit these banding wheel for me, and it goes nice and snug. Absolutely love it. And then every time I glaze, it's so much easier to clean, and the you know, or even the clay going into the cracks, and pain, absolute pain. So that's that. Then there's this one, a big one. Again, nice and snug. And yeah, the best thing about it is that they're non-slip. So instead of having your piece sliding around, you just have this, keep it clean, and a lot more friction, and yeah, job done. And I love them, absolutely love them, and I'm using them a lot every day. And yeah, so that's my quick tip of the day. I hope you find it useful, and for now, speak to you later. Bye.